Hello friends, this is Team Level's channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix SIM card not working or SIM card contacts not showing problem in Realme Narzo 50i. So before you start the video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are new on this channel. So to fix SIM card not working or contacts not showing problem, simply first of all just tap on settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video and watch complete video. Hope so this will fix your problem.